So I'm changing the turn signals from orange to clear. I'm not a big fan of orange. Yeah, I prefer clear. So do this, you just remove this little guard right here. 1 clip, 2 clip, 3 clip. Pull it back and 2 10 nuts. One's right here, one's right here. And you just pull the taillight out a little bit and use a plastic and push it at the end right here, and the whole thing comes off. And to take out the light, just pull it a little bit so the light's loose. And I'm gonna use this plastic right here. Just stick it in right here. I have to be careful not to damage anything. So you see the little tab where it slides, and this is what's holding it in place. It goes in there. And I'm just changing this bulb right here. There goes the orange. And I'm putting the clear. Try not to touch the bulb, put a tissue, clean up the bulb before you put it in. There you go. I like to put a little bit of lube on my finger and just put it around the rubber so it goes in nice and it doesn't, seize up when you try to change it the next time. Now when putting it back, make sure it's lined up. See this pivot goes in that hole, and this is sliding right there. Everything should just fall into place. Just like that. Yeah, so put back your balls, don't put it too tight, and you're done. Put back the cover. And then I got some HIDs for the fog lights. Yellow, 3000K. So I'm gonna put those on. I have to make a relay, or maybe I'll buy a relay. It's always good to put a relay kit with these, but I'm just gonna put it for now so the relay kit I can run later. So I'm doing the HIDs and the fog lamps. So just make sure this rubber is seated properly. Just make sure it's snug. Let's put this bulb in. Keep spinning until you find the right seating position. It's gonna be a little hard to turn because the rubbers. Want that thing facing down. So, plugged in the light, and then I use the jumper harness to the ballast, plugged it in there. This one, I kind of bend the pin a little bit and use the factory harness. So if this way works, I'm gonna use it like this. Hopefully this way works. Let's see. Test it out. I see one working. So the one with the factory, beautiful. So the factory one is like, So this one I'm going to do the same as the factory. So to get the factory wire harness to work into this, I'm bending the tabs a little bit. I don't know if you could, yeah, you can see it right there. See? I bend the tabs inwards a little bit. There we go. And then I plug it in. And that's how far I got it. So I'm going to put some electrical tape over this. Electrical tape over the joining right here. All it is rubber to protect it. And until I get my relay harness. Same thing I did on this side, right there. And then I'm gonna find a place to put these ballasts. I was thinking maybe here, but I don't know. I'll figure something out. Now let's test it out. Shows green at first and then it turns to yellow after it warms up. You're working, that's all that matters. I gotta do a headlight cleaning. You see the haze on it. In time. Fog lamps, tape it up, find a place to put the ballast on. So what I did was I re-cleaned the bumper up there. You can see where I wiped it. Re-cleaned this, and this is what it didn't have the padding, so this is all I only have for one. So for the second one, I'm gonna look for something else. Anyways, I'm gonna peel this off and stick it right there. Let's see if it holds. Just like that. Depends on how long. Oh, I went ahead and taped up the wire and the connector up top. So I'm gonna zip tie on this wire up here, up here, just to hold it up, just in case it falls. And for the second one, I'm gonna use, I found some tape. It's double-sided, so I'm gonna use this, see if it works. So I did the other side. It's pretty snug. That white tape, the white double-sided, it's pretty strong. The whole bumper is moving. Alright. Check back on this next week and see what happens.